I just wanna feel like this, living life, no regrets. Hands up in the air like ooh, nothing's gonna break my mood. Yeah, I just wanna feel like this, feel like this, feel like this, feel like this. I just wanna feel like sun.
Ang ganda po, ang powerful po nung energy niya. Nakuha niya po yung attention namin. Matututo ka po talaga sa mga sinabi niya, sa mga tunuro niya. So, yun lang po. Salamat.
Best day in my life.
Thank you very much po for sharing all your knowledge when it comes to public speaking.
He teaches us to appreciate our own voice. How do I become confident when I speak?
I just wanna feel like this, living life, no regrets. Hands up in the air like ooh, nothing's gonna break my mood. Yeah, I just wanna feel like this, feel like this, feel like this, feel like this. I just wanna feel like this.
Tandaan nyo, great leaders are great communicators. Kasi walang susunod sa'yo kung hindi ka marunong magsalita ng tama. There's a lot of great leaders na maganda ang intention pero hindi ka panipaniwala ang kanilang boses. Kasi ang pinaka-importante sa lahat, it's not your message, it's not what you say, but it's how you say it. Remember this, you are how you sound. Yung pagkatao mo, depende kung paano ka magsalita. When I speak sa public, intentional ako. I would like you to learn from me. Pare-parehas lang naman yung ginagawa natin. Ang kaibahan lang, paano tayo mag-isip. At paano natin gawin kung ano yung iniisip natin. Pero at the end of the day, tandaan nyo ha, kung anong treatment mo sa pinakamataas, dapat yun din ang treatment mo sa pinakamababa. Respeto. Sometimes the problem with us, we taken for granted the power of our voice. Without our voice, there's no speech. Without speech, people will perish. Because we cannot communicate. We cannot say what we want, what we love, ano yung nararamdaman natin, ano yung intention natin. Tandaan nyo, maraming nasasaktan kasi naniniwala sila sa salitang action speaks louder than words. Bakit kayo nandidiri sa sarili nyong boses? Parang nandidiri ka sa sarili mong itsura? Dapat ikaw ang unang makaka-appreciate ng boses mo para ma-appreciate ka rin ng ibang tao. Kung yung boses mo hindi mo matanggap, ay sinong tatanggap sa'yo? Eh kung kayo mismo nandidiri sa sarili nyong boses, ano ngayon ang magiging reaction ng estudyante mo? Hindi naman sa pinag-aralan niya, kundi kung paano mo in-accept yung sarili mo, paano ka magsalita. When you speak about truthfulness, especially those inspiring stories, people will listen. Tama? Because people listen through their heart, not through their ears. You can only hear through your ears, but a lot of people don't listen. Diba? May mga nagsasalita, hindi ka nakikinig. Kasi hindi tumatama sa puso mo. Tandaan nyo, ang pagsasalita parang pelikula, mayroong simula at may katapusan. Ang tanong, may natutunan ba kapag natapos yan? Tama? Our voice is the only instrument that can start a war. Kaya nag-aaway yung mga tao dahil sa salita. Tandaan niyo yan. Sinabi ni ganito, sinabi ni ganyan, nag-aalit, nag-aaway. Di ba? Pero ang salita din, the only instrument that can say, I love you. Without our voice, we cannot express ourselves. Our voice is a gift from God, and it's how we use it that's our gift back to God.